Welcome to Udable.com.
आपको ये ऑडियो लगातार 7 दिन तक दिन में 3 बार सुनना है, जिससे आपकी इंग्लिश बेहतर होगी। आई एम राहुल। हु एम आई? आई एम राहुल। आई एम एट द जू। वेयर एम आई? आई एम एट द जू। आई एम हैप्पी। आई एम नॉट स्केर्ड। एम आई हैप्पी और स्केर्ड? आई एम हैप्पी। दिस इज नेहा। शी इज माई सिस्टर। Who is she? She is my sister. She is at the zoo too. She is not afraid. Is she afraid? No, she is not afraid. This is Arjun. Who is this? This is Arjun. He is my brother. Who is he? He is my brother. He is near the cage. Is he near the cage? Yes, he is near the cage. The zoo is big. Is the zoo big? Yes, the zoo is big. Look at the lion. It is strong. How is the lion? Strong or weak? It is strong. It is brown. It is not small. We are together. We are happy. How are we? We are happy. We are family. We are not afraid. Are we afraid? No, we are not afraid. Neha and Arjun are my family. Who are Neha and Arjun? Neha and Arjun are my family. They walk. They are very happy. They are not scared. Are they happy or scared? They are happy. You are my guest too. You are here with us. You are happy. You are not scared. Are you scared? No, you are not scared.